Konnichiwa, welcome to Mrs. Lin's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese spinach salad, also known as Hourenso Ohitashi in Japanese. You will need the following ingredients. This is a relatively common Japanese side dish. It's very easy to make, and if you have gluten allergy, then you can use gluten-free soy sauce. If you cannot find katsuobushi, which is shaved dry bonito, or if you do not like the flavor of dry fish, then you can use roasted white sesame seeds instead. To start, clean the spinach. Next, in a storage container, add half cup of dashi, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of sugar. Then mix them well. You can use homemade dashi instead. You can watch my dashi video to learn how to make it from scratch. The link will be in the description down below. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add spinach slowly with stem in the boiling water first and boil for about 10 seconds. Add the remaining leaves and continue to boil for a total of 1 minute. I lined up all stems together so they look prettier when cutting into layers. After waiting, prepare a bowl of ice cold water. Take out spinach and dump them in the bowl of ice cold water. This will help cool the spinach and also stop cooking. Leave in for about 5 minutes. After waiting, squeeze as much water out of spinach as possible. Cut to sections of 1.5 to 2 inches long. Add cut up spinach to the pre-made marinade and store in refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. However, the longer you store it, the better it tastes. Take out before serving and add additional marinade and sprinkle sesame seeds or katsuobushi according to your preference. If you enjoyed this video, then please share, like, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video soon.